Have you ever felt like you're speaking a different language in your relationship? Like no matter what you say, it's just not getting through? Well, you're about to discover why that happens and how to turn it around. 1. The mystery of miscommunication. Why do some couples seem to have a secret language? Let's uncover the mystery behind their effortless connection. Why is it that some couples seem to chat effortlessly, as if they're sharing a secret code? Here's the secret sauce. They've mastered the art of active listening. Instead of waiting for their turn to speak, they truly hear every word. Now for your relationship, start by practicing silence for just a moment. When your partner speaks, resist the urge to immediately reply. This tiny pause can change the entire dynamic. Before you know it, your conversations will feel more like a dance and less like a tug of war. Remember, communication isn't just about speaking. It's about being present and truly hearing. Try it out tonight. 2. The dream of deep connection. Ever dreamt of having a relationship where every word strengthens your bond? It's not just a dream. And here's how to make it reality. Imagine a bond where every whispered word, every shared laugh brings you closer. Sounds magical, right? Now, how do you get there? Begin by setting aside regular chat dates with your partner. No distractions, just pure heart-to-heart. But here's the twist. Instead of talking about daily tasks or issues, focus on dreams, memories, and feelings. Ask questions like, what made you smile today? Or, what's one thing you wish we'd do more often? It's these little conversations that build a deeper bond. The more you invest in them, the richer your relationship becomes. Give it a whirl. You'll feel the magic in no time. 3. Beginner's Guide to Better Talks. New to mindful communication? Here's the simplest way to start transforming your conversations today. So, you're dipping your toes into the world of mindful communication. And guess what? You're already ahead of the curve. First things first, remember that every expert was once a beginner. Your journey? It starts with listening more than you speak. Don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. Each time you chat with your partner, aim to let them finish their thoughts completely before you respond. And when it's your turn, be clear and kind with your words. Think of it like tuning an instrument. With each conversation, you're getting closer to harmony. And those tiny moments of miscommunication, they'll become fewer and farther between. Start today and watch your conversations flourish. 4. A new path to understanding. Tired of the same old arguments? Learn a fresh, surprising approach to talking and listening that changes everything. Ever felt stuck in that oh-so-familiar loop of arguments, feeling like you're on repeat? Time to flip the script. Introducing a fresh tactic, the mirror technique. When your partner shares something, instead of reacting, mirror back what you've heard. Say, what I'm hearing is, this does 2 things. It ensures you've truly grasped their point, and it shows them they're genuinely being heard. Trust me, it's a game changer. Plus, it's an opportunity to clear up any misunderstandings right on the spot. It's like giving your communication a glow up. Use this tool the next time you find yourself at a conversational crossroads, and you'll be amazed at the new paths your discussions can take. Keep it in your back pocket and thank me later. 5. The dark side of words. Ever wonder how certain phrases can unintentionally hurt your relationship? Let's expose them and learn how to avoid these pitfalls. You've probably heard, or maybe even said, things like, you always, or you never. These absolutes can feel like an attack, even if you don't mean them that way. Instead, try swapping them out for, I feel, or in my experience. This little switch centers the conversation around your feelings rather than making assumptions. And here's a bonus tip. Avoid discussing sensitive topics when either of you is tired or hungry. It sounds simple, but it's It's a recipe for clear, calm conversations. Start noticing these pitfalls, pivot gracefully, and your communication will be all the stronger for it. 6. Unveiling the secret to harmony. Curious about the one thing that could revolutionize your communication? Stay tuned to discover this game changer. Ever heard of the 20-minute rule? No? Well, it's about to become your favorite go-to. When faced with a heated discussion, take a 20-minute break. During this time, do something entirely unrelated. Make tea, take a walk, or just breathe. These minutes allow emotions to cool and minds to clear. When you return, you'll find both of you more receptive and less defensive. Think of it as hitting the refresh button on a conversation. Simple, yet incredibly effective. So the next time the temperature rises in your chat, remember this rule. It's like having a secret weapon for relationship harmony right in your pocket. Try it. The results will astound you. 7. How fast can you transform your communication? Think changing communication takes forever? You'll be surprised how quickly you can see a difference. How long do you think it takes to truly transform how you communicate? A year? Months? Here's the truth. It can start in just a week. Yes. Just 7 days of conscious effort can set a new tone. Kickstart your week by setting a small goal. Maybe it's using the mirror technique we talked about, or actively avoiding those harmful absolutes. Track your progress, and by the end of the week, you'll notice the shift. But here's the catch. Consistency is key. Just like building muscle, communication skills get stronger with practice. So challenge yourself. What can you achieve in a week? The connection you crave is closer than you think. Dive in and watch your relationship blossom. 8. Avoiding the communication trap. Afraid of saying the wrong thing? Learn how to steer clear of conversations that can lead to heartache and misunderstanding. Brace yourself, because we're diving deep into what not to do. Ever been in a conversation that feels like navigating a minefield? Those tiny explosive comments or assumptions that can derail an entire chat. Here's the thing. Most conflicts arise from unresolved past issues. So, rather than letting old baggage weigh your current conversations down, address past grievances separately. Create a safe space, maybe over a cozy cup of cocoa, and gently discuss one issue at a time. By dealing with past hurts head-on, you'll clear the path for fresh, genuine communication. And trust me, that weight lifting off. It'll feel like you've just had a communication spa day. Remember, clarity today keeps the drama away. 9. The future of your conversations. What if you could predict the success of your relationship through your conversations? Discover how to read the signs. All right, here's a little secret nugget you might not have stumbled upon yet. Have you ever thought about the future of communication? Not in terms of fancy gadgets, but in how you and your partner will communicate years from now. Let's future-proof your chats. Start by setting communication goals. Maybe it's to have monthly deep dive discussions, or to share one new thing about yourself every week. Setting these milestones creates anticipation and a roadmap for your relationship's communication journey. By visualizing and actively shaping your future conversations, you're not just reacting to the present, but architecting a beautiful communication landscape ahead. So, what's your next big communication milestone? Aim for it and watch your relationship thrive in exciting, unforeseen ways. 10. Achieving the ultimate connection. Ever wanted a relationship where you're deeply understood? Here's the key to achieving the deepest level of connection. What's the ultimate goal for your communication? Picture this. Effortless conversations that flow like a gentle stream, mutual understanding that feels as cozy as your favorite blanket, and a bond so strong it could rival the toughest adhesive. Sounds dreamy, right? Now let's make it happen. Start by creating a shared journal. Yes, an old-fashioned pen and paper journal. Every week, both of you jot down one thing you appreciate about the other's communication. It's a treasure trove of positivity. When times get tough, open up that journal and bask in the warmth of your shared journey. It's your beacon, guiding you towards that dreamy communication utopia. Ready to chase the dream? Dive in. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women, and we'll see you in the next video. With love.